Hello everyone, how are you? Once again, my name is Mr. Isaac, Action College. I'm here to teach German once again. Last time we did numbers in German. We also learned how to greet. And this time round, I've come in another style. I want to help you guys know how to conjugate a sentence in Germany. So this is the step 1, 2, 3 every day as you want to speak a language and be fluent. It is by connecting the verb with the subject. To begin with, I'll mix the languages a bit, some English, and also maybe use some bit of Kinyarwanda for my audience and my people to understand better. So once I start the lesson, this is Dutch, and the topic says conjugieren, how to conjugate this German language. In the first place, we have what we call subject. We have the verbs which we call verben. We have the Stammbaum, which we call stems. Therefore, for you to speak or to write German, you must therefore first understand the subject. The subject is the person speaking, which we call sometimes also a person or subject is as in English. And then every subject have or must match with the stem. The stems are that in German we have 3 persons. That is ich, which means I, du, which means you, sie, that means you again. 3 is the third person singular, er, sie, es, and wir, which means we plural. Ihr means you, official or friendly, sorry, and see the last as the stems always move. In most cases, what you see is that German, you must match the subject plus the stem. So when you are using the word ich, we must have stem e. When you're using du, which means you friendly, we must use s or est. Ask me why. We put st and est. When we want to teach someone what we call some irregular verbs, we must extend est. I've mentioned that in the regulations of German that est is done for once, which we remove the infinity, and you are left with t or d. In most cases, you will see that these things keep changing. So we cannot only do on one. You can see wir, which is stem en, ihr at t or et, and then we have also C, which goes with the EN, and C also goes again with EN. So ich for I, du for you, sie for you, that person, er, sie, es, which is he, she, and it, wir for we, ihr for you, friends, sie for you, many, again, official, and C, the last C is they. So in all this, therefore, we say that is the first step for you to conjugate. So guys, we are moving to the next part whereby we need now to see exactly how do we conjugate this. This is the step 2 of how to conjugate. After you've matched this is a subject with the stems, and this is what comes. The verb here I have to conjugate is called kommen. Kommen, in German, kommen, in English means to come. So I will say, ich komme. Master this, that ich goes with e. So ich komme. Then du goes with st, you say, du kommst. Sie goes with stem en, becomes sie kommen. And then we have er, sie, es, which goes with t, which is kommt. Then we have wir means we kommen with the en. Already the word is conjugated. Ihr kommt with t. And then sie kommen with also en. And the last one, sie kommen with the en. People who have mastered what is ich means I, du means you, friendly, sie means also you, official, er, sie, es is he, she, and it. So, er, sie, es kommt means he comes. He comes from America. Er kommt aus Amerika, sie kommt aus Amerika, or the plane, we can say es kommt. So, this er, sie, es kommt. Then, wir kommen aus Rwanda. All, wir kommen. We come from Rwanda, all of us. We are coming from Rwanda, meaning we come from there. Then, ihr kommt is you, many people, which is conjugated with a T. So, ihr kommt aus Rwanda, or kommt ihr aus Rwanda. Do you come, guys, from Rwanda? Then we have Sie kommen. There is this C and this C. These two are official. This is C for singular, and this is C for many people, like respect. If you have a group of presidents, we can say, kommen Sie aus Rwanda, or kommen Sie aus Africa. You are asking maybe a number of presidents who came to visit America. You say, kommen Sie aus Afrika? Ja, wir kommen aus Afrika. And then we have the last one, which is Sie kommen again, with a small s. This is a big S. This Sie kommen means they come from Africa. They come from Africa. Sie kommen from Africa. So you need when you want to learn German, therefore, and you use the subject and the stems, you speak the language without any problem. You also can form your own sentence because you match the subject with the stem and you have your verb complete for each subject. This is easily how it is done, but always, please guys, remember to follow the rules and regulation of German, which I want to show you here. You have to use this by saying, the first is most German regular verbs with the ending en, and rule number 3 says, remove the ending en and replace to match the subject with the stems. And be cautious that we use long stems for verbs which have Arbeit and VAT, which has T and D. Once you remove the en and you are left with the one with D or T, that time is when we apply the long stem. The long stems you saw that I was having, I will show you as the final part of what I'm saying, that the long stems apply here. You see, the long stems apply when we put either ST, do with EST. Or you see here also ACS, the long stem is ET. And the long stem in this case also, it is here we put ET. And I'll give you an example. I want to say I work or you work. You say ich arbeite, but you say du arbeitest. That you use the long stem. When you say he works, you say arbeitet in Rwanda. He works in Rwanda. When you say all you guys, maybe you say you are married. Then you say ihr verheiratet. And this is the case of the T, which comes as the next. As you want to learn much more, please, guys, you are welcome. Action College, the doors are open in several of our branches, which are almost 11. Please click to our Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and check on the caption down there to get our contact. Come, do not hesitate to join us, learn German, fly out there, and also get jobs or even get scholarship. Most welcome. Thank you. Willkommen.
Gana action, niba ushaka kwiga indimi, Gana action, ushaka kuba umusirimu, Gana action.